Hello there! As I already said on Instagram, I am at the NORIS FORCE CON this weekend. I'm in the middle of doing some preparations, deciding which models I want to take with me, preparing those models, maybe repair a little something here and there, and yeah, think about the packaging and stuff. And I sort of had a last minute idea. I want to bring my 112 X-Wing with me. If there is enough space to display it, it will be displayed in the landed position. And so I quickly printed out some of those floor lights. I purchased some little LEDs to put inside here that are battery driven. So let's check this out. They just came in the mail today, so let's see. I think it should be this one. These little things here are some little LED spots, and they will fit nicely inside the printed housing. Just need to figure out a way how to install them. So this little piece of paper will be a diffuser for the light. I think I can just put it on the ground. The housing on top of it, and that looks pretty good. The last two housings just finished printing. Hello! Before I printed those two, I had a major print failure. This was actually the first print failure of this printer since I had it. But it wasn't really the printer's fault. I just didn't clean the build plate properly, so the print wouldn't stick, and it's just swooshed around and yeah, spaghetti. This will be the models that I will bring with me. I also made a NerdMaker polo shirt and caps that you can easily recognize me. So all that's left to do now is clean the models a little bit, pack them, and bring them safely to the NORIS FORCE CON. Alright, I'll see you there.